I love what I heard out there that night when I listened to you guys, and I know you can do a hell of a job on this number. Just put a little harmony behind it in a couple of spots there, and you got it and gone.
I scoop a handful of earth in my palm, I'm singing this song, thinking of God. I wonder why we don't get along. Searching for knowledge, but not the type you get in college. Fucking stuffy scholar, all I want is wisdom and honor. Son of my father, but grew up and got on my own. Wandering wilderness, delirious, thinking of home. Got tired of begging for bread, he dealing instead. Growing rich off the corner and it troubled his head. Businessman he became through the hurt and the pain he caused. The children of addicts are caught in the game, leaving the spot and never went back to the block. Emptied his pockets and gave the trash can his Glock.
First of all, my time on earth ain't definite. Change is the only constant, that's why I'm getting it. So you better do what you do, stay in pursuit of your dream like a fiend for a hit, your ass screwed up. See, being is a time and space like right now to express yourself. No joke, we fight clowns for getting the past at last. We moving on, is that a safe way to escape fate? They all wrong, song is hopping aboard a mission. We transatlantic fishing for truth, they all bitching like Sam Tamar snitching. Listen, we like the morals of this rap game. We conquering the non-believers, showing we enacting. Believe it, we like the morals of this rap game. We conquering the non-believers, showing we enacting.
It's for the ones seeking some change to gratify life. See, that's why we write these words, sacrificing self for this moment in time. We rhyme while talking to the river, we're saying. It's for the ones seeking some change to gratify life. See, that's why we write these words, sacrificing self for this moment in time. We rhyme while talking to the river, we're saying.
Yeah, propagandists will play games with no shame, deceiving the world's a piece of cake. But why the East away, fate Babylon a break. Sooner or later, bet them chickens coming home to roost. Right. Was 9/11 proof, or all we ought to better lose? See, there's a bit of truth, you biggest couldn't swallow it, but me, I'm